Welcome to Emerson's Physics. இந்த சேனல்ல NCERT exercise, NCERT Exemplar உடைய questions ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா ஈஸியா புரியுற மாதிரி சொல்யூஷன் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Definitely it will be useful for your board examination as well as for preparation of entrance examination like NEET and JEE. Please subscribe and follow.
A long solenoid has 1000 turns per meter. We can call it a small n. Small n is 1000 turn per meter. Okay. And carries a current of 1 ampere. 1 ampere. Right. Has relative permeability 1000. Okay. The core is heated beyond Curie temperature. Oh, it is clear. The question itself we can able to understand. In the relative permeability is very high. So it is nothing but ferromagnetic material. So we have raised the temperature and we are reaching up to para. Ferro நம்ம என்னவா மாத்திட்டோம், paraவா மாத்திட்டோம். ஏன்னா Curie temperature is temperature at which ferro become para. இப்போ first point, Hன்றது magnetizing field, Bன்றது magnetizing field, magnetic induction. இது magnetizing field, H. So ஒரு கோர் இருக்கு. இந்த கோர்ல magnetizing field will be mu Ni by 2R. That's correct. Ni by R சொல்லுவாங்க. இது வந்து ஒரு காயிலா இருந்தா 2R formula. This is nothing but mu Ni by Ni is the correct formula for this. Ni. So this is for coil. No need to consider. It's a solenoid. Ni. What is N? This will be the N. Number of turns, 1000 turn per meter, and current is constant. That means H is of the solenoid unchanged. It's correct only. Yes. Next, B. This is called magnetic induction. Magnetic induction is nothing but mu naught small Ni. நமக்கு இப்போ formula தெரியும். Magnetic induction due to a solenoid. இப்போ mu naught is nothing but mu R, mu naught Ni. ஏன்னா we placed a soft iron core. அப்போ this will be the formula for this case, not this. Okay. இப்போ relative permeability என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? As the temperature increases, நமக்கு தெரியும். Temperature increase ஆக susceptibility will decrease. Susceptibility decrease ஆச்சுன்னா mu R equal to 1 plus chi m. That's susceptibility. அப்ப susceptibility decrease ஆச்சுன்னா relative permeability also will decrease. அப்போ the magnetic field produced by the material will decrease drastically. ஏன்னா ferro will give larger magnetic field. Once it becomes para, it gives lower magnetic field. So A is correct. Second, H and B fields are solenoid or nearly unchanged. Wrong. The magnetization of the core reverse தப்பு. The magnetization of the core diminishes by. எதை மீன் பண்றாங்கன்னா H அந்த அவங்க மீன் பண்ற ஃபேக்டர் வந்து I. Intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization is chi equal to I by H. I by H. இதான் ஃபார்முலா. அப்போ ஐயை தான் அவங்க இந்த இடத்துல எடுக்கிறாங்க. What is the value of I? I is equal to chi m into H. அப்போ first case before the Curie temperature. Second case after Curie temperature. Magnetizing field is same for these two cases. அப்போ நமக்கு வேண்டியது I dash, I2. I2 by I1 will be, so 2 divided by 1. I2 by I1 will be chi2 susceptibility after the temperature and susceptibility before keeping, before when it is in ferromagnetic material. அவ்வளவுதான். அப்போ it is clear. Relative permeability of ferromagnetic material is 1 by mu r equal to 1 plus chi m. So, உனக்கு அப்போ chi m will be equal to susceptibility will be mu r minus 1. Initially, mu r is 1000. அப்போ it is 1000 minus 1, which is 999. Okay, approximately 1000 ne vechikalam. What is this? This is the susceptibility before rising the temperature, which is 1000. What about that susceptibility of the paramagnet? Once the temperature goes beyond critical temperature, that paramagnetic temperature will be around 10 to the power of okay 10 to the power of 5 minus 5. This is susceptibility. Okay, appo this will goes to 10 to the power of minus 8. Appo answer, intensity of magnetisation, new intensity of magnetisation become 10 to the power of minus 8 times initial original magnetisation. The magnetisation of the core diminished by a factor. தலைகீழாயிடு. அப்ப I1 நீங்க வெளியே எடுத்தீங்கன்னா I1 will be, so it can also be written like this way. இப்ப I2 தான் நமக்கு வேண்டியது. You can write like this way, no? I2 will be equal to I1 by 10 to the power of 8. அதான் மீன் பண்றாங்க. It is the core diminished by a factor 10 to the power of 8. Diminished by the factor. So இந்த data நான் டைரக்டா எடுத்திருக்கேன். Then only you will get the answer also. For paramagnetic material, susceptibility is 10 to the power of 5. Ferro 1000. So it goes 10 to the power of 8. அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன எழுதுறோம்? Magnetization of the core diminished or reduced by the factor 10 to the power of, அதான் denominatorல இருக்கனால தான் the term use பண்றோம். So A and D are correct. A ஏன் correct? Magnetizing field independent of the material you placed, ferromagnetic or ferromagnetic rod or metal you placed inside the core. It is depends on number of turns and current, number of turns per unit length and current. On a magnetizing field, magnetic induction depends on the core which you have placed. So initially ferromagnet, mu r is high. Finally, it become para. Automatically, magnetic induction will reduce. That's first point. Second point, how much the magnetization, intensity of magnetization reduce ஆயிருச்சுன்றத இந்த formulasல பார்த்தோம். தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய formula, susceptibility is intensity of magnetization by magnetizing field. இப்போ first caseல intensity எடுக்கிறோம், magnetizing field into susceptibility. Second caseல after the temperature raised, it become para, intensity of magnetization, அதே formula தான். I2 by I1 எடுக்கிறோம், ரெண்டு சேம். Magnetizing field independent of temperature. அதனால psi2 by psi1 வருது. கைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, chi2 by chi1, which is called susceptibility. This is called intensity of magnetization. Thank you.